Hi guys, this is Ed and welcome to my channel, Stocks DIY. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow my journey about stock investment. So I'm new to stock investment and I just started about 2 months ago. So I'm still in the learning process. And today I will give you an update of my portfolio. At the same time, I will show you two mistakes that I made this week about investment. Okay, so here we go. So right now I am still negative returns or loss, negative 440.54 and negative 8.44%. So I keep on adding money to this portfolio. So it was getting better, a little bit better a few days ago. So it reaches about negative 231 and negative 241 now. It is the last one is negative $440.54. Okay, then I'll show you. So total of $4,744.86 portfolio value. I still have $182 for investment, so I'm still holding it for a while. Then give you an update. I still have the same funds here. They are still all negative, but it's getting better compared before when the stock values are really going down. Now I have added a lot of companies recently. So I have here AMP, then ANZ was there before, then still Chorus, then Convita. I still have the Fisher & Paykel. Then I added Geo, what else? Meridian, Michael Hill, Moa Brewing, Raycon, Sky TV, Z, Somerset. So a couple of new companies that I added to my portfolio. And about the mistakes I made on this portfolio is I'll show you now. So I was trying to learn about stock trading, so maybe buy and sell a little bit on stock, and I look for the lowest or the small amount of stock price or share price, so I can have more shares to buy. So I found stock called Moa Brewery. This one right now, this negative 20, just maybe 1 or 2 days. See, I'll show you my investment. So it's already loss of $40. So I invested on the 17th. Oh, not really 2 days, but 17th April, 18th, 20, then 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. So about a week, I lose $40.18. The problem with this one is I was really new and very excited to purchase stocks, and I did not check out the history of this stock. Then if I look at the MOA Group Limited, so the time I purchased the stock is at this point April 17th. So I was new then. I didn't look at the candlestick, so you can see it's already lost at this point. So I should not purchase the stock. Then it keeps on going down this way. So I don't know when will the share price will come up. Probably when it reaches this bottom. Then I have to wait for that one. So for now, I still have to keep these shares with me and wait for it. So I don't know if it will still climb up. So that is first mistake I made. Then the second mistake I will show you is this one. I purchased Geo. Oh, now I'm also at loss. So it's now a negative 13.57 for just few days, 2 days. So a big drop, because this one I was planning to buy cheap stock, and after learning a little bit about candlestick here, so I purchased this stock at this time, April 23. I see that it is climbing up and climbing up from here, so I decided to purchase it. I started bidding for 0.095, but my bid won't get through until such time it reached to 0.099. Then I was able to buy the stock. But after that, when it reached to 0.099, it goes up a little bit, then it goes down, then now it continues to drop. So probably the time I purchased the stock is already at the tip, so it is now going down. So I don't know when will the stock climb again, probably when it reaches this point again, so I don't know. So that is basically another mistake I made. Probably I should have purchased the stock at this point, so I have a better profit, but this time this will be a loss. Okay, so I hope you learned something on this video. So I'm also in the learning stage, and just a few days learning about this candlestick and patterns. So again, please follow my journey on stock investment, so you can see how it goes and also learn from my mistakes. So again, this is Ed, and thank you for watching.